Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a spread in my memory planner. So I am probably like 2 weeks behind now. Yes, on May 23rd to the 29th. The previous layout, I did make a reel. So this is on my Instagram page. If you wanted to see how I did this, but I just simply cut out this circle from a pattern paper from Vicki Boutin. And then these were Happy Planner stickers as well. And I added the photos. So for today's layout, we're working here. So let me just take this one out. And if you've been following along with some of my videos, I keep mentioning that I'm in the middle of moving. So a lot of my supplies are packed away. But I do have some pattern papers on my desk that are still available to me. So that's where I got this one. And then I recently purchased this sticker, Bright Type, from Joann's, and it was on clearance for $12. So I'm going to use these large stickers for this layout today. So this is the week, like the last week of school for Valentina. So we have a few photos from like a little graduation ceremony, and then she spent the weekend with her grandparents. So the fun photos that we have to use here. So let's get started. So let's get started making this one. Now, I know I owe you a few memory keeping layouts, so this one is me getting started again. I swear with moving, if anyone's ever gone through it, it takes a lot of brain power. And so here I am, definitely keeping this spread simple. This is the week that Valentina finished preschool. And so there was like a little ceremony in the beginning of the week, and then the end of the week was the last day of school. So of course I took photos of that. And so the paper is pastel, so I went with those stickers from that book too, and this one worked out perfectly. And so then I was having trouble because I was like, I always like symmetry, but I also like balance. So if I have something here on the upper left side, I definitely want to have something on the lower right, which is where that big Be Kind sticker will come into play. And so balance is always good, but I left plenty of room for journaling. So this is just a simple approach. So if you have some scrapbook paper, cover up 2 columns on one page, and then I cover up 1 column on the second side, and then just occupy the space with my photos as well. What I do afterwards too is, because since I had these, I think an odd number of photos, because the one of my sister in the top left, I wanted to cluster it with some flowers. So then I just take the flowers also and I put them around the Be Kind sticker on the opposite side in order to keep that balance. So the rest of the story is on this page. My sister was still in town. I think she left that Monday morning. She flew in unexpectedly from New York, so I got to hang out with her for a week. And then after graduation, Valentina went to stay with Grandma and Grandpa. So of course she gets spoiled rotten there, and she got to go out for ice cream, and she had swimming at Grandma's pool. And so then it's just a picture of me and my sweet boy Maui, who, it's my little puppy love that I always love. So I hope this is some inspiration to get 1 week done in your memory planner and keeping it simple. Like I said, always is just finding collections or stickers that you want to use. And then I always find scrapbook paper that coordinates. That way they can be, I always say, like, connected. And that way they coordinate. That's the whole purpose. So keep this simple layout in mind for one of your weeks coming up, and I will have a few more coming up as well. And if I'm not doing them here, I definitely have them over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, that will wrap up this video. Kept it very simple and a soft pastel a soft pastel palette. Love the way it turned out, and now I can do my journaling in these areas for that week in May. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this